Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the motor in your Dyson SV15 vacuum cleaner. Today, we will walk you through each crucial step to ensure a successful replacement. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Additionally, have a soft cloth handy for cleaning during the process. Now, begin by unplugging your Dyson SV15. Safety first. Once it's unplugged, take your T15 Torx screwdriver and remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum cleaner. There are typically 5 screws, so make sure to keep them organized to avoid any mix-ups later. With the screws removed, gently lift off the back cover. Be cautious, as there may be some residual dust inside. Use your cloth to clean any dirt you find, ensuring that your new motor will operate in a clean environment. Next, you will see the motor located at the bottom of the unit. To access it, carefully disconnect the wiring harness. Take note of where the wires connect, as you will need to reattach them later. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you troubleshoot. Once the wiring is disconnected, use your flathead screwdriver to pry off the motor from its housing. This may require some force, but be gentle to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Now, take your new motor and position it in the same housing. Reconnect the wiring harness carefully, ensuring each wire is securely attached. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about this step, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. After the motor is secured and the wires are connected, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it correctly and replace the screws with your T15 Torx screwdriver. Ensure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling or movement during use. Now, let's talk about cleaning. It's crucial to maintain not only the exterior but also the internal components of your Dyson. Regularly clean the filters and check for any blockages to keep your vacuum performing at its best. If you ever need assistance, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Finally, plug your Dyson SV15 back in and turn it on to test the new motor. Listen for any unusual sounds, it should run smoothly. If you encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us for help. No calls, no travel, just a quick solution at your fingertips. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV15. Remember to maintain your vacuum regularly for optimal performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.